Can you make it big again? Blow hard. Oh, almost.
Can you blow it for me?
Mm-hmm.
Blow it for me.
Okay, I will. Ready?
Thank you.
You got it?
Whoa. Try it. Wow! We did it.
It's hard, huh? You have to blow real hard. You have to keep the balloon in your mouth and blow real hard. Just the end of the balloon. There you go.
I did it really hard.
Yeah.
My balloon.
You like that balloon?
I popped it. Wow! You did it. Your turn now,
Okay.
Daddy. Dada. Dada. B-I-B-I-O.
At the end?
Wow. Nice. Gonna be fat. Wow, I just had. I did it out my mouth.
I saw that.
No, there it is.
You got it?
Daddy, that's fun. Whoa, can I see?
Mm-hmm. Start. Hold this. Don't touch the lens. Hold this underneath like this. Like that. There you go.
Hi.
Wait, ready?
Hi. Hey.
So, you told them I don't like Proverbs. That's how they think of me. They think of you as married to a heretic. Huh?
Say hamburger.
Hamburger! You can't even see me. You have to point it up.
You said you used me as your icebreaker.
I did?
Yes, on the first day. How did I break the ice? Did they like talk about your families? And you were like, my wife is the most gorgeous woman in Pennsylvania.
Okay, can I have it, please?
Yeah.
It's upside down on the floor. There you go. Thank you. No, let's go. I'm going to put it away now.